How to fix an unexpected error occurred on Roblox. First of all, head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Roblox. Head over to this application. Right here instead of Play, if it shows the option of Update, then your application has not been updated to the latest version. It might be the cause of the problem that you have been facing. So all you have to do is tap on Update and update the application. Most of the time, updating the application to the latest version has fixed the issue that you have been facing. But if it doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is move into your settings. Tap on Apps. So right here search for the application Roblox. And then head over to it. Right here tap on Force Stop. And then move into Stories and Cache. You have to clear the cache and the stories of this application. So tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Stories. Click on OK. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. But if it still doesn't work for you, then in the next step what you can do is uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will fix the problem that you have been facing. You'll be good to go. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial clear on how to fix an unexpected error occurred on Roblox. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.